I'm Jade, and I'm going to show you something cool. By the way, my cameraman, Francois. Okay, we're good. So I have here a deck of cards, which is brand new deck of cards. Okay, I'm going to show you something cool with the diamonds. Let's use in order. Where's the ace? Oh, there's a 3, ace, 2, where's the number 4, and the 4 of diamonds. 1, 2, 3, and 4 of diamonds. Alright. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? And since favorite ko ang 3 and 4, lagay natin sila sa gitna. Okay. Francis, ikot natin yan. May nangyayari. Ano sa tingin mo nangyayari?
Wala.
Wala. Actually, meron. Mabaligtad ng ace.
Oh.
Ulitin natin. Masyadong mabilis. Ikot natin dahan-dahan. Snap. Nangyari? Mabaligtad naman ng 2. Alright.
Slower.
Slower. Next. Whoop. Another one. Whoop. Snap. Tingnan natin yun. Number 3 naman. Dahan-dahan. Watch the 3. Watch the 3. Snap. Up. Maayos. Sila lahat. Watch the 4. Watch the 4. Watch the 4 slowly. Don't need to spin. Oh. There's the 4. Okay. Number 4 siya. Okay? Let's try now. And number 4. Okay? Natin sa ilalim. Then spin natin ulit. Snap. Ano nangyari kanina?
Babaligtad?
Nabaligtad. Pero ngayon, special case, walang nangyari.
What?
Kasi, iba nangyari. Ito ang nangyari.
Whoa.
At hindi lang yan.
Galing,
Pag hinawaan natin yan, snap. At yan ay nagiging blue. Thank you very much.